Welcome to week 33 of your 40-week pregnancy journey. It's probably hard to get comfortable at all since you might be feeling overheated on top of your other symptoms too. But you're probably getting super excited to meet the baby and we cannot blame you. Your baby's development at week 33. At 33 weeks pregnant, baby is as big as a head of a celery. They weigh in about 4.2 pounds and measures about 17.2 inches and may grow up to a full inch this week. That's amazing. Your baby's brain is still developing rapidly as her 5 senses get ready for the outside world in the womb. At this point, she can see the liquid around her. She can feel sensation when she grabs her toes and sucks on her fingers. She can taste the amniotic fluid and hear your heartbeat. There's no air in the amniotic sac to carry scent, but if there were, she'd be able to smell her surrounding environment. As fat stores begin to deposit under your baby's skin, it looks less red and wrinkled. Your baby's bones are hardening. However, the skull remains soft and flexible so that she'll be able to pass more easily through the birth canal during a vaginal birth. Baby's lungs and central nervous system have almost reached full maturity. The sonograph this week shows that your baby's heart beats around 110 to 150 beats per minute. Your common symptoms this week. Some of the symptoms which you may experience during this week might include: number 1, clumsiness. Clumsiness is a temporary side effect of pregnancy caused by several factors such as your belly is throwing you off, your hormones are playing tricks on you, you are exhausted, as pregnancy fatigue can make it easier to trip when you are too tired to notice the box your partner left in the middle of the living room floor, and you're forgetful. Pregnancy brain can also make it likely that not only you will forget where you left the keys, but when you actually find them, you'll keep dropping them. Number 2, round ligament pains. Your uterus is supported by thick bands of ligaments that run from the groin up the side of the abdomen. As your uterus grows, the supporting ligaments stretch and thin out to accommodate the increasing weight, which pulls on the ligaments and causes sharp pains and dull aches in the lower abdomen. Number 3, varicose veins. Varicose veins are the large, swollen blood vessels found predominantly in the legs, but they can show up almost anywhere in the lower half of your body. The extra volume of blood you produce during pregnancy is essential to support 2 growing bodies. It does, however, put extra pressure on your blood vessels, especially the veins in your legs, which have to work against gravity to push all that extra blood back to your heart. So here are some self-care tips during this week. Some of the self-care tips which you should follow during this week might include: number 1, preventing clumsiness. Although clumsiness can make simple day-to-day tasks together, most pregnancy clumsiness is little more than an annoyance. A few tips are: proceed with care and try to have a sense of humor. Remember that clumsiness is a temporary sign and it will fade after you give birth. Number 2, preventing round ligament pains. You can take a few steps to reduce round ligament pain, such as kick up your feet if you have swollen feet and ankles, wear a belly band or belly belt below up your bump to ease the pain, avoid sudden movements that cause the pain in the first place, decrease the intensity of your workouts if the pain really bothers you when you are exercising. Number 3, preventing varicose veins. There are some tricks you can try that may help minimize any varicose veins that make an appearance while you are expecting, or at least keep them under control, such as keep your blood flowing, get moving, keep it comfy, try a support hose, watch your weight, sleep on your left side, don't strain, and get your daily dose of vitamins. So in the nutshell, here is your week 33 checklist. Continue taking prenatal vitamins. Continue drinking about 8 to 12 glasses of water a day. Continue doing your Kegel exercises daily. Gather items for your postpartum recovery. If you feel a heat wave, then try taking a shower. Thank you. Please like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel, The Voice of Woman, and press the bell icon to stay tuned for the latest updates.